On-screen text. How to underline words in a text message on iPhone, quick and easy. VoiceOver. Want to underline words in a text on your iPhone? Here's a super simple way to do it. VoiceOver. First, open the Messages app. On-screen text callout. Step 1. Open Messages. VoiceOver. Tap the conversation where you want to send the message or start a new one. Text on screen. Open a chat. VoiceOver. Now tap the text field at the bottom to start typing your message. On-screen label. Tap Message box. VoiceOver. Type your message like normal, but leave a little space around the word you want to underline. Example on screen. I am so happy today with space before and after happy. VoiceOver. We'll use a quick trick to make that word look underlined on any iPhone. On-screen text. No special app needed. VoiceOver. Place your cursor right before the word you want to underline and type a few underscores. On-screen example. I am so happy today. VoiceOver. Add the same number of underscores right after the word. On-screen example. I am so happy today. VoiceOver. You can also put the underlined word on its own line to make it stand out even more. On-screen example. Line 1, I am so, line 2, happy, line 3, today. VoiceOver. When you're done, tap the send button. On-screen label points to the blue send arrow. Tap send. VoiceOver. Your friend will see the word with underscores on both sides, just like it's underlined. On screen. Received message bubble with, I am so happy today, and a bold scribble underline animation under happy. VoiceOver. That's it. Use underscores to underline any word in a text on iPhone. Quick, easy, and no extra apps. On screen recap text. Type word, add underscores, send.